Hey guys, so today is April 7, 2026 and we're here at Glorieta Park. So, let's go.
Glorieta Park.
Oh, Glorieta Park. Oh, wait, no,
Greenbelt.
Greenbelt Park.
Greenbelt Park.
Okay, Greenbelt Park. Okay.
Okay,
let's go. So, this
Remember
is
this?
Yeah, the fishes. That's why I feed them crackers and stuff.
Yeah.
I still remember them. These are koi.
Wala na eh.
No, this.
Konti na lang, tsaka yung water, labo.
Yeah.
Dati malinaw eh.
Yeah. Look at
I
that.
remember nagdadala ka ng Skyflakes?
Yeah, and then I feed them crackers. Actually, do like dump my old fishes, my old goldfish.
No,
in there.
pero doon yun eh.
Yeah, there's some more.
Ayan, meron. Pero konti na lang, no?
Dad, it's not allowed to feed the fish.
Now, pero dati pwede, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang dumi eh. Dati ito pa oh.
There's no more fish in there.
Ayun, meron oh. Yeah,
Oh,
tsaka
yeah.
maliliit.
Yeah, the baby ones.
Sayang, dapat dito na natin pinakawalan, no?
Yeah.
Sila, no? Sino-sino pinakawalan natin doon?
Reddington,
No, anong types of fishes nila?
goldfish,
Anong tawag sa kanila? No, yung matataba?
Ranchu goldfish,
Yeah,
Oranda
Ranchu.
goldfish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tsaka yung turtles mo.
Yeah.
Ninja turtles mo, pinakawalan natin doon.
Kind of
Tara,
feel.
puntahan natin.
I kind of feel bad for the
Baka nandun pa
turtles.
sila, malaki na.
Yeah. I kind of feel
Baka
bad.
ninja turtle na.
I'm kind of feel bad for the turtles since
Oo nga eh.
they're in my house for like a pretty short time and then we just feed
Oo,
them.
saglit lang. Wala, ang dumi din eh. Tignan mo yan, oh. Ang dumi na.
I see some tiny fish there.
Tara, let's go. Ang dumi na eh. Dating ganda eh. Dito din, oh.
Yeah.
Wala na.
Look, there's a fish. It's a big janitor.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's a big janitor. It's under there.
Wait, ito tayo.
There's a sleeping cat.
Oo nga, ang daming ka. Tara. Do you remember nagpunta kayo nila Patrice, Natalie?
Yeah.
Kasama natin si Gizmo.
Yeah.
Pwede ba dyan? Pwede maglakad dyan? Dito ah. Ganda ah.
Yeah.
Ang taas ah.
You know, if I were to do a stop motion video for my predator figures, I might lay them there. Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, ang ganda. Dyan oh. The grass.
Yeah.
Dito tayo. Mamu. Kala ko Maroon 5.
Maroon 5. Just imagine my jungle hunter predator figure there. Dad.
Oh, may maliliit din, oh. Ngayon.
Hold on. Dad, what do you think of my jungle hunter predator? Hey,
Hindi yun.
it looks like that plant from Badlands. You know the ones that explode.
Hindi ka na, yung isa, oh. Mukhang microphone. Tingnan mo isa.
Oh yeah. Looks like it. What kind of plants or leaves are these? Yeah. Just imagine my jungle hunter predator figure in there. Just think about it.
Yan. Greenbelt Church.
A cat again.
Chapel. Greenbelt Chapel.
Chapel. Cat.
Yeah.
We cannot enter there.
Yeah. Bigyan mo natin. Remember, merong duck dito.
Yeah.
Hinabol ka ba?
No, I didn't. It just poop crapped next to me.
Ah, yeah, dito.
Yeah. There's some birds.
Ah, bila no?
Yeah, look, we're tossing armadillo.
Armadillo ba yan?
No, it's not. It doesn't even have a head. It's not an armadillo. Something.
Hey, wait. Bilis mo eh. Armadillo yun. Ayun yung head, oh.
Oh yeah, it is an armadillo.
Remember Arma?
Arma, yeah. Classmate.
Pero hindi natin sila dito nilagay. Doon sa kabila.
Oh yeah, there.
Oo, hindi dito.
There.
Pero yung notice, liga. Tignan mo yung ilalim ng bridge.
Yeah.
So, hindi pala sila makakatawid doon.
Yeah.
Akala natin, tumawid na sila dito.
Yeah. What are
Ano
those?
yung mga itim na yun?
I don't know, baby cichlids. I think.
Baka kinain ng ducks sila, ano? Yung mga rancho mo.
Yeah. Do you feel bad for them now?
Yeah. Although, sino yung brown na may sakit?
Oh, Rocky.
Yeah, may sakit siya, you know?
Yeah, I think he died.
Ano nga reason bakit natin sila dinala rito? Kasi mamamatay din sila sa house, eh, no?
Yeah.
Sa aquarium.
Yeah.
One by one, namamatay na sila, eh.
Yeah.
So, mas kailangan nila
Yeah.
talagang pond.
Yeah, but sadly, because it's already infested here with other animals, so it's a bad idea. It should be goldfish only pond, but because there's so many other
Pero bakit yan, oh? Hindi naman namamatay.
maybe these are like, there are certain fishes that eat goldfish.
Alright, as I look, yummy.
Yeah.
O dito, di ba maraming turtles dito?
Yeah. What if the turtles escaped?
Paano kung yung cow nag-escape? Ayun, oh.
Where?
Tumatakas na yung cow, oh. Ayun.
Huh, no. Wow.
Nawala na, no? Yung mga turtles.
Yeah.
Kasi summer, parang dry na eh.
Yeah.
Low, ang tawag dyan? Low tide?
Yeah, low tide.
Tara.
What if the duck ate them?
Yeah.
Let's go on the other side. Maybe they're there. What kind of turtle is that?
Dragon turtle.
Dragon turtle.
niyan. Parang mythical creatures ah.
Yeah. Let's go there.
Dito? Dito ba natin sila pinakawalan?
I don't think
Parang nabago na eh, oh. Nabawasan yung halaman, oh.
Yeah,
Diba dati close yan?
yeah. Remember that time the last fish we saw was linguine, the green?
No, remember, no, diba hinulog natin sila dyan,
Yeah.
yung mga fish mo.
Yeah.
Tapos, pumunta tayong Glorieta, kumain tayo. Tapos sabi mo, gusto mo silang balikan for one last time. Pagbalik natin, wala na sila.
Yeah.
Ang nakita ko lang yung parang green and
It's linguine.
red na maliit na
Yeah, it's our glowfish, linguine and savante, I think.
sila na lang nakita natin.
Yeah.
Tapos nakita natin yung duck nandun.
Yeah.
Kaya
I think she ate him. Oh my god, that's the worst decision that I ever made. What if we gave them to another
hindi
goldfish?
naman natin alam eh. Akala natin mas bagay sila rito kasi panto eh. Mas free
There
sila
are a lot
rito.
of predators in here.
Like,
Ducks, cichlids, carnivores.
kala ko warrior.
No. Not yaja.
Kailan yun? 2 years ago?
It's 2 years
3
ago.
years ago?
That's 2 years ago.
No, 3.
Or maybe
Kasi
3.
Gizmo is more than 2 years sa atin na eh.
Yeah.
Nawala yung mga turtles, so. Baka namatay na, sobrang init.
Yeah. I see fish.
Oo nga, ibang klase.
There's cichlids. Okay, let's go to the other side.
Di ba cichlids, sila yung matibay, yung matagal mamatay? Tama ba?
Cichlids like parrotfish, flower horns. Remember
Eh,
our
di ba we're planning to buy flower horn ba yun?
Yeah.
Yung malaki yung
Yeah.
head na yung
Yeah.
noo.
Yeah. Remember our blue polars?
Huh?
Remember our blue polar cichlids, the ones with the blue?
Polar. Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yung matapang ba yun?
Yeah.
Nag-aaway.
No.
Inaaway niya yung mga clownfish? Tama ba?
No, they did not.
Eh, ano yung nag-aaway lagi?
The parrotfish.
Ah, bakit?
Specifically the purple one and the blue one. Memphis, Purple Lua, and I think Luigi. Yeah, I actually named my green one Luigi.
Kaya marami nag-give up mag-alaga ng fish eh.
Yeah.
Sa aquarium. Ganun ang hirap, mamamatay din eh.
Yeah.
Hindi talaga sila meant for aquarium.
Yeah.
Dapat sa kanila pond, big
Yeah.
pond.
Yeah.
Let's go. Wait, wanna sit there?
No, it's too hot.
Hard on the work. Hey, tara, dito. Tara, bye ka na.
Okay, guys. So
Bye, guys. That's it for today.
yeah, it's it for today. I'm really tired.
See you
So
on the next
see you
video.
see you in the next video, and make sure to stay safe. Bye,
Take care,
guys. See ya.